anyone can communicate in English. You don't have to know thousands of words or have perfect pronunciation to start speaking English with people. We are going to learn English with things from our daily life. Simple, easy, and maybe fun. You can start feeling more comfortable when speaking English. So let's get started. I am here at a nice country house. It's a cozy place in the countryside. Look, it's very calm. It's very peaceful. It's not a big farm. This is a small soccer field. People have lots of fun here. Now, by the way, do you play soccer? Is soccer popular in your country? Let me know in the comments. So, this is the driveway that begins there, and it's a dirt road. There are a lot of rocks, small and big ones. And here are the ants. They work a lot. They usually carry very heavy loads. This is the entrance of the property, and this is a metal gate. Listen, a metal gate. It opens by pushing each part to the sides, like this. This part, now this part. Pretty easy, pretty neat. This is a dirt road, and it's pretty good condition. Look, this is grass, but because of the time of the year, this is all dried up. There's a car coming. See ya, buddy. And this is a whole field. I don't know what they planted here. Let me know in the comments if you know. I just love walking here. It's so nice. Look, it's so beautiful, so cozy, so comfortable. If you have the chance to walk in a place like this in your country, do it. I think you're gonna like this. Oh, look, that's a coffee tree. Have you ever seen a coffee tree? But at this time of the year, there's no fruit yet, but it'll come. And this is a papaya tree. Take a look at it. And I think that one, it's ripe already. It's ready. I don't know. Look, I found some coffee fruit right here. This is also called coffee cherry. But I think this is overripe. It's not good anymore. Let me try one. It's kind of sweet, you know? Not bad. I can eat this. Good. Banana trees. Look at those huge banana bunches. Man, wonderful. And this part here is called banana heart or banana blossom. Some people eat it. Let me know in the comments if you like bananas. If you eat bananas mixed with something, let me know. That's the house up there. Can you see it? It's a pretty steep downhill. And here we have a dead tree. This tree is already dead. Look, the branch is totally dry and brittle. There's no more life in it. The river is just right there. Do you like walking in places like this? I love it. This is a river. Look, those are rocks, and these rocks are completely covered when it rains a lot. It's a beautiful river. This is kind of mud, but it feels good. And I'm going in. The water is freezing cold. Pray for me. It's really cold. It's freezing cold. Oh, oh, ah. Oh. And these are leaves. If you have just one, you call it leaf. So leaves and leaf. I'm going uphill right now. And here we have this beautiful and pretty tall tree. And this is called jatobá. And this is the fruit of this tree. It has a pretty hard skin, and when you crack it open, it has a funny smell, not pretty good. This house has 3 bedrooms, 1 bathroom, a living room, pretty nice, and a big kitchen. This is the door. It's a wooden door, pretty massive. I'm going to open the door. Here, you have a rug that you can use to wipe your feet before entering the house. That's a pretty nice house. Now look at the porch. The porch is huge, look. And these are hammock hooks where you can hang your hammock and just relax and have a good time. Look. Let's check what we have in here. A washing machine, a sink, a hose, and 4 propane tanks. They're all empty. And here we have a broom, a rake, and a squeegee. By the way, how do you say squeegee in your own native language? This thing here. Let me know. This house has beautiful landscaping. Take a look. This is a swimming pool, which is not very deep. And these are very comfortable chairs. You can sit on, get a tan. This is a swing for 2 people. And this is a play set for kids. And it's pretty cool. It has a slide. This is a net. And this is a platform with a roof. That's another one. And here we have a pool table. Do you know how to play pool? Are you good at pool? And up there, there's a beautiful bird called tucano. Take a look at it. It's so beautiful. There's a table, and there are like 2 long benches like this. This is a barbecue grill right here. There's a sink, there's an oven where people make pizza, and you can relax here. It's a pretty good place to hang. If this video was helpful, if it helped you in any way, if you learned any new expression or new word, leave in the comments. See ya.